One problem, Mathematics 1B, third chapter, the straight lines, exercise 3C, first bit, fourth problem, page number 55 in textbook, page number 55. Transform the following equations into the form L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 and find the point of concurrency of the family of straight lines represented by the equations. Here transform the following equations L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 and find the point of concurrency. Find the point of concurrency. Here given that two problems. So, this is the equation of the straight line L1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line L2 is equal to 0. Two lines intersect at P. Two lines intersect at P. Here, equation of the third line. Equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 means L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Here three lines are passing through the same point. Here three lines are concurrent lines. This is the family of concurrent lines. Here given that equation of the line L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 form. So first of all here find the equation of the straight lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 and also find the point of intersection of the two lines. Find the point of intersection of the two lines. First problem. First one is 2 plus 5k into x minus 3 into 1 plus 2k into y plus 2 minus k is equal to 0. This is the given equation. This is the equation of the straight line of family of concurrent. First of all, this equation totally multiplied. A 2 into x, 2x, 5k into x, 5kx, minus 3 into 1 into y, minus 3y, minus 3 into 2k, minus 6k, minus 6k into y, minus 6ky, plus 2 minus k is equal to 0. First of all given equation simplifying, this is 2 plus 5k multiply with x, 1 plus 2k multiply with minus 3 and y, 2 into x 2x, 5k into x 5kx, minus 3 into 1 into y 3y, minus 3 2s are 6k into y 6ky, plus 2 minus k is equal to 0. First of all total value multiply. Again write first of all only x y constant terms. X term, y term, constant term. Here x term 2x, y term minus 3y, constant to 2. Again write into k terms plus 5kx minus 6ky minus k is equal to 0. First of all write into x term, y term, constant term. Again write into in terms of k terms. 2x minus 3y plus 2. Common into 3 terms, k common. Common into 3 terms, k common. Means 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 2 plus k into 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Transform the given equation in the form L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Here L1 is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. L2 is equal to 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the two lines. Here first line is L1 is equal to 0, second line is L2 is equal to 0. Again find the point of intersection of the two lines. Point of intersection of the two lines. Equation number 1 is 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Third equation 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve 1 and 2 from equation 1 and 2. First of all write down y coefficient minus 3, constant 2, x coefficient 2, y coefficient minus 3. Starting and ending y coefficient. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient and y coefficient in the first equation. Next second equation, y coefficient to minus 6, constant to minus 1, x coefficient to 5, y coefficient to minus 6. This is equal to x by is equal to y by is equal to 1 by. This is determinant of AD. AD minus 3 into minus 1 minus BC 2 into minus 6. Next one AD 2 into 5 minus 2 into minus 1. AD 2 into minus 6 minus minus 3 into 5. X by minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3, minus into minus plus 2 6s are 12. Y by 2 5s are 10, minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. 1 by 2 into minus 6 minus 12, minus into minus plus 3 5s are 15. X by 3 plus 12 15, y by 10 plus 2 12, 1 by minus 12 plus 15 3. Equating first and last and second and last. Equating first and last. X by 15 is equal to 1 by 3, y by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 15 by 3, y is equal to 12 by 3. 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 4s are. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. Therefore, the point of concurrency 5, 4. The point of concurrency is 5, 4. First of all, given equation, simplifying First of all, write down x term, y term constant, again k terms, k common. This is the parameter lambda letter. This is the L1, this is the L2. This is the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. This is the first line, this is the second line. Solving 1 and 2, this is the point of concurrency of the lines. Again, second one. Equation is k plus 1 into x plus k plus 2 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. First of all, total value multiply k into x, kx plus 1 into x, x plus k into y, ky plus 2 into y, 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. First of all, write into x term, y term, constant term. X plus 2y plus 5. Again k terms. Kx plus ky is equal to 0. Kx plus ky is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 5 in two terms k common. X plus y is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 5 plus k into x plus y is equal to 0. This is the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Here L1 is equal to x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. L2 is equal to x plus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line family of concurrent lines. L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Here first line is x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Second line x plus y is equal to 0. Solving 1 and 2, find the point of concurrency. From 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, y coefficient to 2, constant to 5, x coefficient to 1, y coefficient to 2. Next one, y coefficient to 1, here no constant term. So, constant value is 0, x coefficient to 1, y coefficient to 1. X by y by 1 by AD 2 into 0 minus BC 5 into 1. AD 5 into 1 minus BC 1 into 0. AD 1 into 1 minus BC 2 into 1. X by 2 into 0, 0 minus 5 into 1, 5. Y by 5 into 1, 5 minus 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 1, 2. X by minus 5, y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 minus 1. Equating first and last, x by minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Equating second and last, y by 5 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Minus minus get cancel. X is equal to 5 on the 5 by 1. 5 by 1 means 5. Y is equal to 5 on the 5 by minus 1. 5 by minus 1 means minus 5. Therefore, the point of concurrency is 5 comma minus 5. This is the point of concurrency. The point of concurrency. The point of concurrency Px comma y is equal to 5 comma minus 5. This is the process for finding the point of concurrency.